If you've done your research on a destination you want to visit and it's safe, and I mean seriously, done your due diligence, because you don't want to end up like Martin and Gina on Gilligan's Island.
That ain't no damn puppy, that ain't no damn puppy.
Book that trip and go. Hey guys, I'm Crystal Amanda and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing the things to not do or stop doing before traveling. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you should not do before traveling is not planning ahead. And what I mean is not doing your research for the best deals, like flights, hotels, travel times, destinations, not checking the weather of the destination, etc. The second thing you don't want to do before traveling is not having a budget. I mean, unless you got it like that and don't care for a budget, then good for you. But if you don't have an open budget, you should have an idea of how much you're willing to spend or can afford during your trip, including excursions, food, if not staying at an all-inclusive resort, health and beauty, like massages or facials, shuttles and taxis, or car rental services, tip money, etc. The third thing you should not do before traveling is listen to Debbie Downers about traveling. If you've done your research on a destination you want to visit and it's safe, and I mean seriously, done your due diligence, because you don't want to end up like Martin and Gina on Gilligan's Island.
That ain't no damn puppy, that ain't no damn puppy.
Book that trip and go. Those are probably the same people who either don't travel at all or only travel to the same destination every year. Then you'll end up watching everyone else have fun on their trips and experiencing new things. And guess what? That could be you. But instead, you listen to a Debbie Downer. My advice, don't let negative input from others be the deciding factor of booking a trip. The next thing you should not do before traveling is pack poorly. I recommend utilizing packing cubes or compression bags when packing to save space, and if your luggage gets selected for a physical inspection, your belongings will remain organized. This is the exact packing cube set that I use when traveling, and I'll link it in my description if you're interested. The fifth thing you don't want to do before traveling is pack only one pair of sneakers or tennis shoes. I usually have 2 pairs of sneakers when I travel, the pair that I wear to the airport and an extra pair in my luggage. But the one time I didn't pack an extra pair of sneakers, my only pair fell apart. Literally fell apart and crumbled.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
I talked about my sneaker incident in my Tulum vlog, so I won't get into details about it now, but just know I was so embarrassed. The next thing you should stop doing before traveling is also mentioned in my previous video, and that is overpacking. I know, as easy as it may sound, it's not, because there's always those just in case items or having the need to pack half the shoes or sandals in your closet. So just try not to overpack. The seventh thing you don't want to do before traveling is not remembering the TSA 311 liquid rule. This includes spreadable or creamy foods like peanut butter, yogurt, cream cheese, which are considered liquids. These are allowed in a carry-on. However, if containers are larger than 3.4 ounces, you'll either have to throw away before proceeding with the security screening or go back to the check-in counter and check in your luggage. The next thing you should not do before traveling is not weighing your luggage before leaving for the airport. And this applies to if you're checking in luggage. So to avoid paying a hefty overweight luggage fee, weigh your luggage in advance using a portable luggage weight scale. The next thing you don't want to do before traveling is drown yourself in perfume or cologne before leaving for the airport. I know, I love to smell good too, but keep in mind, some people may be sensitive to scents and fragrances or even have asthma or allergies. So try to be considerate of that. The next thing you don't want to do before traveling is wear the wrong airport or travel clothes, like wearing uncomfortable short or tight clothes, jeans, excessive accessories, or jewelry. Try to keep it comfortable and simple. Let me know if you or anyone you know was guilty of any of these travel don'ts or mistakes in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please don't forget to click the like button As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!
Provocation, c'est ça qui commence la pagaille. Imitation, c'est ça qui commence la pagaille.